Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope all are fine at your home. Okay. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay. This is the first standard class. First standard class and subject English. Okay. In previous class, we discussing the we describe the question answer of direction lesson. Okay. Today we are discussing about the one of the farm bird. That name was cockcrow. Are you see the cockcrow? I hope some of the students see the cockcrow. Okay. What is this poem? Today we learn the wait at cockcrow. Okay, we discussing about in this poem. This is the important of the student's life. Why? In this poem, all about the my little kids, cockroach said to all. What it said? It said, early wake up and early go to bed. We get a good health and wealth and wise in our life. Okay. Now we start the poem. All of you open your textbook. Page number 30. Page number 30. Poem name was Wake at Cockcrow. Okay. All of you open your textbook. Cocks crow in the morn. First we know the difficult words. Okay. First one is cocks. Second one is crow. Third one is rise. Fourth one is early. Fifth one is healthy. Sixth one is wealthy. Seventh one is wise. And eighth one is sleepy head. Sleepy head. Ninth one is habit. Okay. Next. Breakfast. Okay. Those are all difficult words in this poem. Okay. Now we start the poem. Cocks crow in the morn to tell us to rise, and he who lies late will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise is the way to be healthy and wealthy and wise. So get you up, O sleepy head, give up the habit of breakfast in bed. Okay, now the cocks was said to all. Cocks crow in the morning. The cock crow in the morning to tell us to rise. That cocks tell us to rise. And he who lies late will never be wise. And who arrive late, that boy will never be wise. He is a bad boy. For early to bed and early to rise. Who are early to bed and who are early to rise is the way to be healthy and wealthy to wise. In who are early to bed and early to rise is the best way to be healthy and get a wealthy and wise person. So get you up. Get you up, oh sleepyhead. Cocks say to one in this student. See here. This is a cockroach. Okay. So get you up, oh sleepyhead. Oh sleepyhead, get you up. First, you get you up. Give up the habit of breakfast in bed. First you give up, you get up, and you give up the habit of breakfast in bed. First you stop this bad habit. That habit was breakfast in bed. Okay. He is the boy. He is eating the breakfast in his bed. Okay. It is a bad habit of all students and all children. Okay. Now this poem was completed. In this poem tells to all who are wake up early and go to bed early. It was that person get to healthy. Okay. He always healthy and wealthy and wise person. Okay. My student is also a healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay. Now we start the read and find. See here. Page number 31. Page number 31. Okay. See. Tick. Write the correct statement. Okay, page number 31. All of you open your textbook. Tick, write the correct statement. See here. Tick, write the correct statement. First one is cocks crow in the and it was cocks crow in the morning. Right? Morning. Okay. Second one is we should go to bed late or early. We should go to bed early. It's a good habit of children. We should get up early or late. We should get up early. We should go to bed early and we should get up early. We get a good health and wealth and wise. Okay. Next we go to the second question. Second question is match the questions with their answers in the match the questions with their answers in the box below. See here students, match the questions with their answers in the box below. This is the box, this is the questions. Okay, first one is Who will never be wise? Who will never be wise? He was lies late. Who was lies late? He was never be wise. First question answer is he who lies late. Okay. Second one is what do the cocks tell us? What do the cocks tell us? To rise early. Second answer is to rise early. Okay. Next, third one is what is the way to be healthy, wealthy and wise? What was the way to be healthy and wealthy and wise? Early to bed and early to rise is the good way to be healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to bed and early to rise is the way to be healthy, wealthy and wise. All my students. Next see here. Now I give you homework. Okay. Come to the homework. Question number 3. Complete each sentence and tell your partner. Complete each sentence. Complete each sentence. Okay. Read, write, complete each sentence. Page number 31. Question number 3rd. Answer the all questions. All questions properly. Answer the all questions properly. Okay. See here, page number 31. It is homework. Your homework. Okay. Page number 31. Question number is to 3. Question number 3. Answer the all questions. Okay. See here. Question number 3rd. Complete each sentence and only complete each sentence. Answer the all questions properly, sincerely. Okay. All of students, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we will meet the next class.